Sankranti, meaning one of the 12 movements of the sun from one area of the zodiac to another, is referred to as Sankranti in the Hindu calendar. The term is arguably best known as the name of the Hindu festival Makar Sankranti, which commemorates the winter solstice, the transition to springtime, and the harvest. Makar Sankranti commemorates the sun's passage into Capricorn. Sankranti is another name for Makar Sankranti. Uttarayan is another name for it. Pongal and Lohri are two similar festivals that occur at the same time. However, they may be regarded wholly independent observances, even though they also celebrate the harvest and the transition to springtime. In some cases, Makar Sankranti is celebrated with kite flying, and the name Uttarayan is sometimes used as the name of a kite festival, notably in the Indian state of Gujarat. Traditions associated with Makar Sankranti vary from place to place and include charitable giving and ritual bathing in sacred rivers. Some people also burn old items, light bonfires, and give presents of sweets to each other.